What is up, my fellow subscribers? This is Adrian from Adrian Mateo Drones. I'm actually gonna go ahead and bring you a little unboxing of 3 batteries: the red, the green, and the blue for the Dji Spark. I'm gonna go ahead and change the body. I'm actually gonna go ahead and put the red body on it. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how you can actually do that. So basically, when it comes to the Dji Spark, you're gonna have to remove the battery. You have 6 screws. You have these 4 right there, and then you have 2 more that goes in the back of the gimbal. That one right there, if you can see it, and then the other one right here. There you go, right there. So basically, when it comes to the Dji Spark on the screws, it comes with a little dab of glue that DJI puts on it. You have to go ahead and kind of dig it out to go ahead and be able to unscrew it. I've been told that once you do that, it will void the warranty on your Dji Spark. That's what I've been told. I don't know if that's really 100% true, but the person that told me, I actually take his word for it. I believe what he says, because he knows a lot about drones. So basically what I'm gonna do again, I'm gonna go ahead and put on the red body for the Dji Spark. This is kind of an unboxing and also just changing the body up a little bit. This is the one that I'm gonna be putting on the Spark. Right now it has the white one. Nothing against the white one, but I do want to change it up a little bit. And this thing that I have right here is basically for my night light. And I'm actually going to fly at night. I'm about to go ahead and show you in a minute. I just kind of have stuff everywhere. This is my night light to fly at night. Everything you see here, I actually got it off from Amazon. I'm gonna go ahead and put a link in the description on the video to let you guys know where I got it from, if you guys are interested in buying some. So that's the the green. That's the white. Kind of like a strobe. This is the SOS. And then it also has the red. That's the steel. SOS. Just kind of flicking back and forth. That's the green. So it has 3 colors: red, green, or white. So basically, that's what you see. This right here. So step on the Velcro, and you just kind of stick it in there, and that's pretty much to fly at night. I'm gonna put another one of these on my red body when I'm done installing it. So that's basically it. Basically kind of a little unboxing of these new bodies that I got for the Dji Spark. Again, the green, the red, and the blue. I'm gonna put the red on it. Kind of show you guys how to do it. I did buy my little handy dandy kit on Amazon also. This is one of the kits that I actually gave away to one of my subscribers by the name of Everyday Drone Guy. I actually picked him on my first giveaway that I had when I reached my first 100 subscribers here on YouTube. I also did went ahead and buy from Amazon, but this right here, that's the battery. It's kind of like a little secure battery attachment. So basically after not that the battery's gonna come loose. I doubt that it will. But this right here actually goes here. Right here. What it does, it just basically attaches to the legs right here. Just kind of snap it on it. It tends to be a pain in the butt sometimes. There you go. And it pretty much secures the battery in place. You still be able to see the lights on the drone, on the battery, no matter what. So just a little securement, you know what I mean? Extra security to keep the battery in place. All right, so let me go ahead and get on with removing the battery and installing the new battery. So again, keep in mind that you won't be able to unscrew it right away. You have to break the little dab of glue that DJI puts on it. So I'm gonna start with the first screw, and it does take kind of like the star screw attachment. It's not Phillips or it's not flathead. If you like the video, I would appreciate it if you please subscribe to my channel, share my video. I would really appreciate it. And if you please go ahead and hit the bell notification for future videos, I really appreciate it as well. Happy Thanksgiving to everyone, by the way. Hope you guys enjoy your family members. This is the time to be very happy, and unfortunately for some people may be sad. I'm sorry about that if you are one of those that went through that. We all have to go through it at some point, but I prefer happiness instead of sadness. And you have to be very careful, because this is plastic on plastic. You don't want to mess up the threads, and you definitely do not want to over tighten it. So just be easy. All right, and go ahead and you're gonna have to kind of not remove, but kind of move the gimbal a little bit side to side. Just be real careful you don't overdo it. You don't want to break anything. The hardest part is kind of breaking the little dab of glue that DJI put in there. So just be very patient with it. Come on now. Sorry about that. It's always one screw that want to give you a little bit of a hard time. Okay. So after removing those 6 screws, the battery should just be able to just pop out. It's kind of a snap-on. Again, first time doing this, so I don't want to break anything. I'm just gonna be real gentle with it. Come on. Let me go ahead and use this real quick. Okay. I'm gonna figure this out one way or another. Okay. Not such luck yet. I don't want to break nothing. Come on. So let me kind of get this right in here. I'm gonna just keep working it through. Uh-oh. Come on. Jeez, this is so hard. I wish I could show you guys, but I have to hold it, and I don't have a tripod or nothing for me to be able to show you guys what I'm doing. There you go. Just gonna have to kind of work it through there until you get those little notches out. See those right there? You have to pop them out. So you just take a little bit of time. That way you don't have to, that way you don't break nothing. Again, this is Adrian here from Major Mateo Drones. Wishing you guys a happy Thanksgiving for you and your family members. Come on, baby. Stop giving me such a hard time. Jesus. This thing just want to be a booger. Of course, you don't want to break nothing. There you go. Right? I've never seen this, but this is actually what the Spark looks like in the inside. That's the fan right there. That thing looks very interesting in the inside. Okay. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put the new body on it. And you're just basically gonna put it on the same way you took out the other one. Except you gotta make sure that everything stays inside, because this little notch right here tends to come out. There you go. You're just gonna have to push it inside. Now that's there. Now I'm gonna start the process of putting it back together. Okay, you get it lined up, and you should be able to just press down on it until everything starts snatching together. There you go. There you go. You should be able to hear it pop. That means it's getting back in place. Okay. Couple more. Now the front. There you go. And there you go. Now my Dji Spark have the new body on it. Looking beautiful. Looks like a new drone already compared to the white body. And it's pretty much that simple. And now what you do now is just go ahead and put the screws back on. And again, keep in mind that you actually be very nice and gentle. You don't want to overdo it, because you don't want to break nothing. You definitely do not want to mess up the threads. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to place them inside one by one. So this is more an unboxing and also a new body installation for my Dji Spark. I'm having a lot of fun with this drone. I don't know why this drone is so underrated, but this drone is actually amazing. I'm enjoying doing FPV flying with this drone. It's amazing flying it on sports mode. Once you pretty much got it bottomed off, you just stop. Again, you don't want to overdo it. You don't want to overscrew. You don't want to mess up the threads. Get the other one lined up pretty straight. There you go. Okay, that's good. And get the other one. Oopsie. In a minute. Shouldn't be hard to do that. Let me turn it this way. Shouldn't be going in so hard. It should be going in nice and easy. There you go. bottomed out. Okay. Now you're gonna do the other one. There you go. So now I'm gonna go ahead and do the two over here by the gimbal. This is gonna be the one that probably gonna give me a little bit of a hard time. Yep. The screw probably gonna keep falling, so I'm probably gonna have to stand it up. Here you go, one. And then the other one, and then we'll be done with this process right here. My Dji Spark already looks pretty much brand new, like a brand new drone compared to the wide body. Okay, so I drop it in there. I forgot my tripod at the house. I could have just brought it. I could have got a top lead for you guys. Okay, and there you go. Voila. There goes the Dji Spark, looking brand new with the red body. Let me go ahead and put on the red propellers. I got a bunch of propellers, by the way. The original ones and low noise, not like the Master S screw, but the low noise. And there goes my Dji Spark. Look at that baby right there. A lot of people like to put skins on the body. I mean, the skin looks good, it looks all right, except the skin comes with that adhesive, and sometimes when you try to put it on, this is such a pain in the butt the way it's cut that you're probably gonna go ahead and, I've screwed up a whole bunch of them trying to put it on the white body of the Spark, also on the DJI Mavic Air and the DJI Mavic 2 Zoom. I'd rather just get the body instead. I think the body looks a lot better. All right. Again, this is Adrian from Adrian Mateo Drones. If you please like the video, subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it. Like the video, share the video, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you hit that bell notification for future videos. That's pretty much I got for you for the unboxing. Also for the installation, it's simple. I don't know why some people made it sound like it was so hard to do. It was pretty simple. Let me show you guys the blue body and the green one. Give me a second, let me go ahead and cut it. I'll be right back. Sorry about that, I was not prepared. I didn't mean to do that, I do apologize. This is what the green body looks like. I do have blue propellers as well. I just don't have any green propellers. So for the green body, when I do change it to this one eventually, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put maybe the white propellers or the black ones. But this is the other two bodies right here. Again, I got everything on Amazon. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put a link in the description of every little thing that I actually have here to make this video with. That's pretty much it. Happy Thanksgiving. You'll have a good day. God bless. See you guys later.